So finally my XPS 8900 arrived. So welcome to the unboxing.
Okay, so let's see what's in there.
Right here, it's a KB216 keyboard. Let's try and see what's slim keyboard. Nice. Okay. KB216, I believe. And it's KB216, and it's nice. Chiclet type. Yeah, and we have the mouse. And I believe there should be. Oh, it's the power adapter. And oh, comes with a free adapter. Looks like a DVI VGA adapter. Right. And what are these? Manual's warranty and XPS 8900 quick start guide. Top of it. Wow, there it is. Hello there. Let's see. Okay, let me just put it up. So here it is. Okay, now we have two USB 2.0 here and a microphone and headset input. Okay, you have SD card reader here, MMC, MS Pro Duo, and CFMD. This is the SD card right here. And you have a Blu-ray. This guy have a Blu-ray drive. And here's empty port. You have two 3.0 USB port over there. And that's it. And at the back, okay, and here's the power button. And at the back, power supply here, and then XPS 8900. So there you have some USB drives, 2.0 USB drive, LAN, and then these are motherboard, HDMI, and then USB 3.0s, and then the 7.1 audio. And you have the video outputs. And see. So this is the keyboard and the mouse. Open them already. This guy have a i7 6700K processor, Windows 10 64-bit operating system, 24 gig memory, 256 gig M.2 SSD, and 2 terabyte hard drive, Blu-ray drive, and GTX 960 video card with wireless, with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Some other ports here. And that's it.